Good. All right. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to class. Today, we are going to be learning about the volume and surface area of cylinders, but we're also going to look at some pyramids. Our learning intention states we are learning to solve real-world problems mathematically for measurements in cylinders and pyramids. In order to be successful, we're going to need to be able to use the formula as needed to find the volume and surface area of pyramids and cylinders. So we're going to start out with the volume of a cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and draw a cylinder over here to the right. So, you know, a cylinder, you have a circle there, the height of the cylinder, and then another circle there. Within that cylinder, you have the radius, but then you also have the height of the cylinder, because you know the cylinder goes from here to here. That's the height. So when we're finding the surface area of a cylinder, I'm going to call it SA. The formula might seem a lot, but you're honestly just throwing numbers into it. All right, so it is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. All right, so let's do this example. We have a cylinder right here. The radius is 10. And what would the height be for this cylinder down here? What's the height? How tall is it? That's what height means. 25. This line that goes from top to bottom, that's literally telling you that's how high it is. So the height is 25. So we get our formula, surface area, and all we do is we put the numbers in. So 2 pi, we say r is 10, so we put 10. And we say h is 25, so we put 25. Plus 2 pi, and then r is 10 squared. Get your calculator, you work that out, you get your answer. 500 pi plus 200 pi, which is 700 pi. And if you want the full answer, use your calculator and you should be able to get that answer. But that's basically what the surface area of a cylinder is. Now let's look at the volume of a cylinder. When we're talking about the volume, we're talking about how much space inside the cylinder is it taking up. So my formula for that is V is equal to pi r squared h. That's it, pi r squared h. So it has the area of a circle, and then you just times it by the height. All right, so if you have a question, I'm going to put a question on here real quick. The same one that we just did. So the radius is 10 and the height is 25. All you do is you take those numbers and you put it into your formula. So the volume is equal to pi, r is 10, 10 squared times height, which is 25. Which ends up giving you 2,500 pi, whatever that turns out to be. So again, you just throw your numbers into your formula, and that's how you do the volume of a cylinder.